I'm William Capel with the PowerBoss Corporation. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Nautilus load dump and how to open up and empty the hopper. A few things about the hopper that need to be maintained, then how to properly load the hopper, and it's very simple to do, and we're going to demonstrate that right here. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we need to be able to unlock the hopper. So that is going to require us to grab this handle. So anything that's a touch point on this machine is coated in orange. So that means that it's a device that is meant to be used to open something or stand on, so on and so forth. It stands out for the machine itself. So just a heads up on that. Located right here, we have a safety latch. And that safety latch should be put in the down position. So I'll take my index finger, and I'll just simply press down. That releases the hopper. And then also, with the fulcrum, it will automatically lock into position. So once again, that's orange, that's safety, and that locks this entire assembly in the up position. So once we have that, then we have another orange handle here. So that's another grab, and we simply pull back like so. And this hopper assembly has bogey wheels on it that will allow you to maneuver it pretty much in any position that you want to. Now understand that this one is empty, but you'll have weight in it, but even then it's pretty easy to move around. So once you have it clear of the frame assembly here, simply then move it to the right, and then you will have your hopper assembly out and ready for servicing of it, and we'll get into that next. Once you have your hopper assembly out, they're broken up into two sections so you're ergonomic to be able to lift the hoppers out and be able to balance the weight so you don't put any excess load on your arms, joints, and what have you. So just simply lift out like so. Lift out like so. They're originally designed to balance, so regardless of how much weight's in there, they will automatically find their center of gravity and balance accordingly. One thing I would like you to take close note of is actually this little hole right here. It is this hole that we have negative air that drains all the water out of this during the sweeping process. If this were to become clogged, this would fill and then water would spill over. So this is just a simple maintenance. Just put your finger in, check it to make sure it's clear of any type of debris. You can flush this out. It's all stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, you can flush out the screens. This is all made of poly, so you don't have to worry about any type of corrosion there. Everything in this area here is also stainless steel, so that just simply locks back into place. And then your second hopper automatically locks into place, and it's as simple as that. One other area that you want to pay close attention to is back here towards the rear. This will hook up to a donut, which you see right here above. And it's important to make sure that this is clear of any type of debris, because once again, this evacuates the hopper assembly of all water. Make sure that that donut is in good shape, and if it needs to be replaced, replace it accordingly. So you need to check that and clean it, and once that's done, you're good to go. But just check it on a daily basis that the donut itself is in good shape. So now we're ready to go ahead. We want to move the hopper forward so we're not in the way of the frame or the squeegee assembly. Once that's done, the bogey wheels will automatically put in place. I want you to pay close attention that these bogey wheels right here line up with those two rib assemblies. And we're going to go ahead and push this forward into the machine. Line it up, and that's the purpose of this handle. Get it up as far in as you can. And you want to make sure that these bogies line up with those two rib assemblies. And we'll do a quick close-up on that next. Okay, now we're ready to lower the squeegee assembly. We need to pull up and release on the bar. And I want you to pay attention to these bogey wheels, and they should line up right with the back of the hopper, and the weight of the squeegee assembly will automatically, with the weight, with the gravity, put the hopper perfectly into place, and then simply slide your bar in, and it's just that simple.